This video is sponsored by Hurela, and in the packaging I received these goodies that I'm showing you right now. The wig that I'm going to be working with today is a 24-inch natural black kinky straight 13 by 4 frontal wig with a density of 150, I think. If not, it is 180. Also, the hairline is pre-plucked and pre-bleach-ish. Like, they only bleach the middle and the front area, like where the hairlines start. Inside, you have 3 wig combs and 2 adjustable straps. I will be doing a ball cap method. I'm using ball hole liquid gold to lay the cap down. And after applying the ball hole liquid and to get it dry, I will be using the blow dryer. Then cutting the cap to my earline shape. And don't mind the white residue you're seeing, it's because of my ear products combining with the liquid. Using my makeup foundation to blend everything in. Fitting the wig to see if everything connects. The lace is too much on my face, so I'm just gonna cut some off. So I'm here using the clear hair glue, but it wasn't spreading out to do thin layers. And I feel like I want to slap myself because I did one of my clients' hair and I used it, but I didn't completely close the cover. So I had to change the glue. Right now I'm going to be doing 2 coats for each layers, and I'm going to use the blow dryer to get it cleared.
Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that.
Then lay the lace down and using the tail comb to press the lace into the skin. Cutting off the excess lace that is not needed in a zigzag motion, and you can see the clear glue, like it's kind of lumpy at the top, but because it's clear it can go on.
To everybody else, it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just all like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. If it was you, it won't be like that. But I love when we make love like that.
So I'm showing you the parting space, and the rest of the video is self-explanatory, but whenever I'm done styling the wig, I will come back to share my thoughts about the wig.
Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. If it was you, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just all like that. Yeah, maybe we just all like that. You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just all like that. Yeah, maybe we just all like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But
And I am done with this look, and this wig is amazing. Like, I don't have any issue with it more than the glue. And that's on me, but you're getting great quality all over, you feel me? And if you're interested in this wig, I will link all the information down below. It will be a direct link. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.